Hello and welcome to the Dale Carnegie Tip of the Week. Look familiar? Well, it should. It's the Dale Carnegie Golden Book. And as graduates, we know that it's packed full of 30 different ways in which we can lead people more effectively. Today, we're going to look at leadership principle number 2. Give honest, sincere appreciation. I recently read that one of the major reasons for employees moving on is because they're not feeling appreciated. I'm sure we can all relate to times when we haven't felt appreciated. Even though maybe somebody was trying to show appreciation by saying, hey, great job. No, I mean it, honestly, sincerely. But as Dale Carnegie graduates, we know the value of backing up what we say with evidence. Paul, an outstanding report, and I'm not the only one that's saying that. I've already showed your report to several members of the team. Everyone without exception has said that it was one of the best reports that they've ever reviewed. Thank you so much. The power of words backed with evidence brings about sincere and honest appreciation. I'm Paul Bagan with your Dale Carnegie Tip of the Week. Make it a great day. Make it a great week.